Hi, in this video, I will be showing you problem number 4 from the worksheet for chapter 1 for the intermediate algebra class. Objective: solving a percent mixture problem using a linear equation. Ashley invested her savings in 2 investment funds. The amount she invested in Fund A was $4,000 less than the amount she invested in Fund B. Fund A returned a 3% profit and Fund B returned a 2% profit. How much did she invest in Fund B if the total profit from the two funds together was $830? We will underline the keywords in the problem. There are two investment funds, which are Fund A and Fund B. The amount she invested in Fund A was $4,000 less than the amount she invested in Fund B. Fund A returned 3% profit. Fund B returned 2% profit. How much did she invest in Fund B? That's what the question is. If the total profit together was $830. So we are going to be using the formula here. Interest equal to PRT. Interest amount equal to I equal to P principal or rate time T. So it is principal amount, the amount that you invest, then multiplied by rate of interest, multiplied by time, the time of investment. We will create a table as shown below. It says in the problem the amount she invested in Fund A was $4,000 less than the amount she invested in Fund B. But we do not know how much was the amount invested in Fund B. But what we know is whatever the amount invested in Fund B minus $4,000 is the amount invested in Fund A. It doesn't say, keep in mind, Fund A is not $4,000. It is $4,000 less than the amount invested in Fund B. As we do not know what the amount invested in Fund B is, that's what the question is in the next line. So we'll assume the amount invested in Fund B is X. Then Fund A would be 4,000 less. So it's X minus 4,000 would be the amount invested in Fund A. Now rate is 3% profit for Fund A. 3% converted to decimal would be 0.03. And then Fund B, it says 2% profit. That would be 0.02 in terms of decimal. As we don't see any number of years given, we will assume it to be 1 year. So 1 year, 1 year. So time in years, principal in terms of dollars, rate in terms of percent converted to decimal. The interest is in terms of dollars. Interest amount will be in terms of dollars. We're going to multiply the three columns. P times R times T is the interest. So we'll multiply the first column, second column, and the third column. So as the third column is after all 1, it is only 0.03 times, so it is 0.03 times X minus 4,000. 0.02 times X. It also says in the problem if the total profit from the two funds together is 830. So the total profit, the last two, it is 830. Now we are ready to set up an equation. So Fund A profit plus Fund B profit together amounts to 830. That is the setup of the equation. So this is the very important step in the problem, setting up an equation. So profit from Fund A plus profit from Fund B equal to total profit. So it is 0.03 times X minus 4,000 plus 0.02 times X equal to 830. Now all we have to do is to solve for x. So first we will distribute this 0.03 times x, 0.03 times 4000, that will be 120, plus 0.02x equal to 830. Now we are going to add the like terms. This is one x, there is an x term, there is an x term. 0.03x plus 0.02x, that will be 0.05x, minus 120 equal to 830. Now we are going to isolate the x, so add 120 on both sides. So that will be 0.05x equals 950. Now going to divide both sides by 0.05. So that would give us x equal to 19,000. In a word problem, we should always interpret what the variable is. The question is asking us to find how much did she invest in fund B. Then fund B represents the x number of x dollars of amount. So here we get 19,000. So the amount invested in fund B, so interpret that and write in words. The amount invested in fund B is $19,000. Hope this video helps.